Hey guys, out here this morning. Gonna try to put a few packs in on this sunny day. First sunny day I've had off on one of my days off in a while. I wanted to try out the Chameleon with Betaflight 4.1 and the RPM filters on it. So let's kind of see how it goes. Hopefully it's gonna be as good as everybody says. So I'm anxious to try it out. I'm also trying out Vanover's rates on it. Kind of see how that is. They're pretty close to my rates anyway, but I was curious to see how his rates are. I may try it on one of my racers also. But it's kind of wet out here, so I'm gonna try not to do anything too crazy and crash and land in a puddle or something. But also may try to put up the Sky Surfer and make a little plane flight also if that goes all right and I got some decent footage. I may throw that at the end of this one, but we'll see how it goes. See you later. Well, my first impressions with Betaflight 4.1 and the new RPM filters, I kind of did what was recommended and just slowly lowered the filtering until I got to nothing. My motor stayed cool, so then kind of started messing with the PID tuning, kind of messing with that a little bit. Kind of used a lot what Drew was doing with his PIDs instead of Alex and using the sliders. I figured that'd kind of keep me out of trouble a lot more than trying to just type in a bunch of numbers like I usually do. But I really like it. It did well. It's really lowered a lot of my prop wash. It seems really stable. I really like it, so I'm super impressed with it. So I'm gonna start trying to get it on some of my other quads. Maybe try it on my racing quads. I need to update some of my flight controllers. Still running a lot of F3s, so I need to update those and try to get this new firmware on them. But I really like it. Man, you just can't go wrong with those sliders. I really love it. So maybe it'll kind of show in the footage. I suck at freestyle, so really doesn't not much, but just me flying around and trying out to see if I can get some prop wash. But yeah, I like it. See y'all later.